How do we get local kids interested in power engineering as a career path? So we worked with one of the school divisions, Prairie South School Division, along with the Ministry of Education, as well as TSASC, a regulator here in Saskatchewan. And we came up with a program that put power engineering into the local high school.
And with the partnership between Prairie South School Division, SaskPower, and ourselves, it was to set up a mobile trailer for high school students to be able to learn and explore what power engineering is and walk out with an actual certification that they could use in industry right off the bat.
They're working at the plants. They're doing the tours around the plant. They're seeing what a day-to-day power engineer does. And from there, they can start to make decisions. Is this a career that they want to do? It's great for retention. Our post-secondary students go through the program, they get out and they're working, and we're seeing them thrive in industry. And we've got students that are second-class power engineers.
So this program, I think, is very beneficial for those outside of SaskPower too, because again, it's giving a lot of students at the age that they are, where they're exploring and probably thinking they're making a decision for the rest of their lifetime, although there's lots of opportunities to relook at careers, but it gets them exposed to professions that they've probably never thought of.
Here at SaskPower, we have a great need for power engineers in our various coal and some of our natural gas facilities. Some of our locations are in places where it's very difficult to recruit power engineers. And power engineers are an in-demand profession. They have been for quite some time, and they will be for quite some time in the future.
The students learn about the whole production for steam heat in that trailer. It's a commercial grade boiler that a 5th class power engineer would work on typically, and a boiler that you would find in a small business, in a school, in an apartment complex. And there's a lot of students out there that have no idea about power engineering. And so what we want to do is we want to educate the students.
It's beneficial for the industry to have people aware of the kind of work that they do and the type of skills that they need. It's beneficial for the school divisions so that they can tailor and explore learning opportunities for the students. And more importantly, the students get the chance to know what all their future opportunities could be, for at least for the start and maybe for a long-term pathway.